crypto knowledge, education, tools, resources, and more. That's what I'm going to talk about today. So I'm starting to get a lot of people reaching out to me, asking different questions, on all the different platforms, right? Text, Facebook Messenger, TikTok, all of them, right? And, different questions, right? What do you think about this coin? What do you think about my portfolio? I'm kind of interested in crypto, but I don't know where to start. How high do you think Bitcoin's going to go? I've even had tax professionals that I know, reach out. Hey, I need to talk to you about taxes and crypto. They're kind of complicated. And just kind of the list goes on and on and on, right? And so first, I want to say I am extremely humbled by each of those inquiries. Grateful that people see value in this content and trust my opinion on these topics. A sincere thank you to all of you. So I want to take some time to explain exactly what resources I have available to you today. There are, and in the future, there are 6. There's the Beginner's Guide to Crypto, the Comprehensive Guide to Crypto, the 2-book bundle. I do now have one-on-one calls available, and in the future, there is a take profit spreadsheet coming, and also the one that I'm probably the most excited about is once I hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, I'll be able to do this live, say once, maybe twice a week, probably once, but be able to have a live discussion about crypto and interact with everybody. So really looking forward to that. So I'll go deeper into these resources in just a moment, but first I will ask you to keep in mind that I do have other responsibilities, right? And in general, I'm very busy. I'm a business owner, I'm a real estate agent, I personally invest, which means I have to personally do my own research on projects that I would like to invest in. And then also, I'm a father, I'm a significant other to a wonderful woman, I'm a brother, I'm a son, and the only person's portfolio that I personally manage is my woman's portfolio for obvious reasons. So, with that said, I have packaged the knowledge, education, additional tools, resources, all of this for you guys. So while calls are available and they are an option, I have the resources available for you to get started today. So let me go in depth into those. Number 1 is the Beginner's Guide to Crypto ebook. It's a 25-page ebook that covers everything you need to know to get started in crypto today. Keep your crypto safe, and probably most importantly, to have a balanced and diversified portfolio. It literally goes to the level of saying, hey, my recommendation, not financial advice, do your own research, but my recommendation is to put 25% of your portfolio into Bitcoin. Then take 25% and pick from these recommended cryptos, right? Do a little research, pick your own. Take 10% and select from this sector in crypto, etc., right? It gets that detailed. There are 22,000 cryptos. There's actually more, but 22,000 plus cryptos. You need to have a solid foundation. This book gives you that, a balanced and diversified, solid foundation to get into crypto. And then wherever you go from there is up to you, right? So some more things it covers in the book. What is crypto? What is the blockchain? Trusted places to buy your crypto. Not your keys, not your crypto. A very important concept you need to understand. How to safely secure your crypto. I mentioned the balanced portfolios, the crypto cycle, extremely important. It's one of the main reasons that people lose is they don't understand the crypto cycle. It teaches you that. It teaches you charts overview, right? You don't necessarily have to go into charts, but if you want to, there's an overview. Top 6 mistakes to avoid, right? Those are really important. Emerging trends and resources to help keep you up to date. And then lastly, some terminology and keywords that you should know if you are going to invest in crypto. So when people are talking, you understand what they're saying. All right, number 2 is the comprehensive guide to crypto. So this is a 199-page ebook that has all of the topics from the beginner's guide, but goes a lot deeper into all of them. And then additionally, it also covers the basics of trading. Again, the 4-year crypto cycle, just more in depth. Bear and bull markets. Goes in depth into charts. Right? You may have heard me talk about a Fibonacci chart. Well, in this book, it's going to explain what that is, right? And there's, I think, 15 different chart overviews in there. Staking and rewards, initial coin offerings. How do you incorporate crypto into your financial goals, right? The regulatory landscape, taxes, emerging trends, the future of crypto, tokenization, and more. Number 3 is the 2-book bundle. You guessed it, it's both of those books. I recommend the beginner's guide first. Like I said, you can get into crypto within a couple hours with a balanced and diversified portfolio. Then you have the comprehensive guide, which is your resource to really go deep on each of the topics. And if you ever need to go back and, hey, what was that? You have all that information. Let's see. Okay, next is one-on-one calls are available in 15, 30, and 45-minute intervals. Yes, this is a paid call, right? It is not a free call, but they are available. If you just want to get, hey, what do you think about this particular crypto? I'm thinking about investing in it. Probably do a 15-minute call, right? If you really want to hear me talk about the whole opportunity that's in crypto, if you really don't know and you want to hear me talk about it, that's probably a 30-minute or maybe even a 45-minute. But for those that really want to talk to me personally, you can schedule that, get onto my calendar, and I look forward to speaking with you. All right, let's see. In the future, there's 2 things that are work in progress. The first one is a take profits spreadsheet. This is a plug and play spreadsheet that will help guide you on when to sell. When I say plug and play, basically you can literally put how many coins you have, what price you paid for it, the all-time high, which is very basic information that you can find. You put in those 3 numbers and it breaks it down for you and says, hey, I would recommend selling this percentage at this price, and then this percentage at this price, and so on and so on. And you can see exactly what your investment could turn into very, very, very easily. And this is one of the biggest mistakes that people make in crypto, is not selling. They don't know the cycles. They buy, they hold, and then the market goes down. Well, I know that it's going to go down. And if you buy my ebooks, you also know that it's going to go down. So you need to take profits on the way up. And this very simple plug and play spreadsheet will literally help you to do that. All right, and then lastly is the TikTok lives, right? So like I said, once I have an audience of 1,000 people, then I will be able to go live, and I'm very passionate about this topic, and I really look forward to having those conversations and sharing my thoughts, my market updates, and answering questions from you guys. So if you don't already, please follow me on TikTok, and again, as soon as I'm able to go live, I definitely will be. So in conclusion, I have already documented the answers to almost all of the questions that I get I am very, very grateful for those questions. However, I am going to need to point everybody to the resources that are available, multiple ebooks, the one-on-one calls, and the things I have coming in the future. So that's what I wanted to cover today. Again, really appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.